All right, let's talk about Algorand, guys. So you guys been trading or looking at the chart. Algorand has been taking a lot of pain and has been seeing some, really good highs. Now it's seeing some painful lows. I'm gonna give you guys my perspective in trading this. You guys can see it from cash positions and hodling, but I'm just gonna give you guys my plans. Now, Algorand has been falling since basically at this last massive highs, but $2.80. Currently sitting at $3.30. Now, at 30 cents, guys, this crypto, to me, I see it going lower. Now, currently right now, it's sitting at the support zone, which it might stabilize for a little bit. But it might, after it stabilizes a little bit, like flatten out, it just drops down to this low that I see it going at. Let me see. This low right here is going to be like from the price range of just about right there. We're talking about 11 cents to 17 cents, and that's where I see it hanging out for the next couple while. Because this crypto, like other cryptos, especially there's thousands of them. They all have their own type of utility that people will explain. But I think the majority of people who are using Algorand are mainly just hodling it. They're not really utilizing it, and I think many people are trying to do the exact same thing, just trying to get rich off this cryptocurrency. And basically, in the last few months, the best position for this cryptocurrency is shorting it. I think the shorts are not done yet. I think the shorts are going to be heading down to a lower price, and it might turn from there. But I do got some information that might help you, or even help myself when it comes to the reversing. It might head down to the 11 cents, but my price prediction will be to say 11 cents. And from there, it's a good chance to turn around. So I'm going to give you that perspective now. Because I made a video September of last year. And let's see, it was on the watch list of 314,000 people's watch list. A lot. Now we're talking about like November 25th, 2021, 418,000. I made another video February about this cryptocurrency. February 16th, 517,000. Now we're currently sitting at 580,000 just about, and we're at 30 cents. So, and its rank is still in the top 100. So that's pretty powerful for a cryptocurrency. So if it hits the 11 cents, this thing might have 600,000 people watching this cryptocurrency. So when it hits that 11 cents, 10 cents, it might bounce up and start this whole new trend over again. But that's my analysis with it. But I'll make an updated video if it goes down to that price. But market cap 2.1 billion, guys, 30 cents, like I talked about before. Rank number 30. Now, if you guys are looking for like the news and stuff about this cryptocurrency, you guys can check it out on their website or on Twitter. But if you guys want to trade, how to get a part of this cryptocurrency, here are the markets that you guys can get a part of this. Basically, the top 100 is going to be on most platforms out there for this cryptocurrency. Also, guys, if you guys want to learn more about crypto, check out my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. I got stuff about Forex, economy, markets, indicators, and building some free education on there also. So if you guys want to learn more about gold prices or commodity prices, or even looking at some of the indicators, I have that on there. And also, if you guys are looking for like education, just hit me up. I do have a platform for that. It's my own course, but it's not for everyone. I just want to filter out the people who are actually interested in actually learning how to trade. But besides that, guys, how did I do on the Algorand? Tell me what your guys' thoughts are, where you guys see the price going. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like the video, get that out there, help me build the YouTube algorithm. And guys, I'll see you guys on the next video.